Hello and welcome. This is Sohaib here, and in this video, we are gonna be discussing an exciting new launch in Dubai South by Emaar with the name of Grand Polo Resorts, where you will be getting 4 and 5 bedroom ultra luxury villas. You might have heard Polo is a game of kings, and in this community, which is designed to bring the same elegance and luxury lifestyle to its residents. The lifestyle in this community is built around a theme of sports, horses, social gatherings, elegance, and sophistication. It's a sports driven community where everything is designed to feel grand and larger than life. The idea is to offer you a lifestyle fit for royalty, full of experiences that go beyond the expectations. That's exactly why the word grand is attached with the word polo. The total area of this community is gonna be around 5.4 million square meters, which is a huge size. And the best thing is the luxury you are getting in terms of open spaces, which is around 1.99 million square meters, which is a huge size. So you can have an idea how much of luxury community this is gonna be. And if we talk about the total residential clusters, it is gonna be 22 with residences around 6,661 and total number of population which is expected to live in it is around 26,000. So you can see there is a lot of open spaces. You are getting polo fields and stables in between of a size around 340,000 square meters. You are getting clubhouses and mixed use areas around 1.5 million square meters. Talking about the exact location, you are right between the Expo Road E77 and the Emirates Road E611. You are just minutes away from Oasis by Emaar, Jumeirah Golf State, Expo City, and you are right next to world's largest airport, which is going to be completed by 2032 with a cost of over 128 billion dirhams. On the other end, with a straight access to Dubai Investment Park, which is largest commercial warehouse district of Dubai, being home to corporations like Pepsi and Amazon, the two roads perpendicular to Emirates Roads, which are Yalala Street and Expo Road, they run parallel to each of the communities, connecting all of the areas in between. Like you have a straight access to Jabal Ali, crossing all the main roads. If we talk about Mohammed bin Zayed Road or even the Sheikh Zayed Road. Now, if we talk about the new launch in Grand Polo Resort, you are getting 4 bedroom luxury villas, 5 bedroom ultra luxury villas, and 5 bedroom equestrian luxury. Now, if we talk about the numbers and availability in Grand Polo Resort, where you are getting 4 bedroom luxury villa, the total number of units are gonna be around 74. The total built up area of this 4 bedroom ultra luxury villa is gonna be around 4,168 with an average plot size of around 5,794. Starting price is gonna be around 7.88 million dirhams. Well, definitely this is the starting price. It is gonna end up like anywhere between 8.5 to 8.7 million. Moving on, we have 5 bedroom ultra luxury villa. I'm also gonna be attaching the layouts as well. The total number of units are just 24 with a built up area of around 5,046 square feet and a plot size of around 6,057. The starting price for a 5 bedroom ultra luxury villa is gonna be 10.03 million. So this is just the starting price. It is gonna be ending around 11 million dirhams. Then we have 5 bedroom equestrian luxury. Total number of units are just 22. So you are gonna just for an idea, this is a hot launch and the total number of units are very much limited. So the built up area of these units are around 8,635 square feet with a plot size of around 9,149 and the starting price is just 17.6 million dirhams. Now if we discuss about the layout of the community, you can see in between we are having the polo fields and stables right in the middle. Then we have the clubhouses, the stables, the polo field. Then we have the Shivalia State, Shivalia Fields. And then at the last point, we are going to see Shivalia State 2, which is yet to be launched, and the launch date is expected to be 8th of September. So in total, you are getting a lot of amenities, you are getting a lot of open spaces, and the layouts are pretty much spacious. The exact location of Shivalia State 2 is very much prime. You are right in the middle of the community where you are having easy entrance to the clubhouses, to the polo clubs, to the stables as well. And if we talk about the amenities, every cluster is pretty much loaded. I'm gonna write down all of the amenities because one by one it is gonna be pretty much difficult for me to name each amenity. Now, if we talk about the top nationalities who are putting their trust on Emaar, a semi-government developer, and specifically Dubai, at number one, no surprise, we have Indians. Starting from the Ambanis all the way to Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan, Indians are putting in a lot of money in Dubai real estate. Secondly, we have UK, maybe just because of the taxes. Thirdly, we have China. Chinese people are opening a lot of new setups, new business setups, and they are putting their money in real estate with Emaar. Number 4, we have Emiratis themselves. United Arab Emirates is at number 4. At number 5, we have an exciting news for the Pakistanis and a lot exciting for me. Number 6, we are coming up with Dominica. 7 is Canada. Number 8 is Iran. Iranian people, maybe just because of the conflict going around, they are putting their money in Dubai and specifically with the Emaar. Number 9, we have United States, and number 10, we have Jordan. Discussing the booking process, EOIs are open until 8th of September, which is a closed deadline. just because we are having very much limited numbers of availability. For a 4-bedroom luxury villa, you are going to be putting 500,000 as an EOI amount. For a 5-bedroom ultra luxury villa, 1 million is the EOI amount, and for a 5-bedroom equestrian luxury villa, you are going to be putting 1.5 million dirhams as an EOI amount. If we talk about the payment plan, 10% is your down payment, which you are going to be paying at the time of booking. For the first installment, which is to be paid in November 2025 of 10%. So it goes like a standard payment plan of 80-20 for Emaar. 80% you have to pay during construction and 20% at the time of handover. The best thing about Emaar and the developers like this is you are paying the installment with reference to all of your construction going around. Like if we talk about the 4th installment, when the construction is going to be around 30% completed, you are going to be paying your 4th installment. Similarly, for the 5th and 6th, it depends on the construction update. You are going to be paying your installment according to the construction updates. The most special thing about this project is all about the unique vibe living in a polo community. The culture, the atmosphere, and the lifestyle here are a completely different vibe. If we talk about the experience from any of the golf course community or a lagoon community, they are pretty much different in feel. If you are thinking to invest any of the villa community, just reach out to me, send me a WhatsApp at the given number. I'm always up. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.